Good morning, students. How are you? So, today I am back with your English class. Yes. So, today we are going to read one poem. No need to learn this poem because we are just going to read this poem for our knowledge. Okay? So, there is no need to learn this poem. Yesterday we learned about what? About the days of the week. Yes, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yeah, so these were the 7 days of the week, right? Now these particular every day is having some special. Yes, what you can say, it is having some speciality. Each particular day is having some speciality. Some day it is very graceful, some day it is very sweet, some day it is very happy, some day it is very what to say, impressive. Some of the days are very lucky for the people. Like this, different beliefs are there. In the same way, this poem has been written by a poet where the speciality of kids has been talked about. That if a child takes birth on Monday, that means if his particular birthday in that year is Monday, okay, on that Monday he has born, then what will be his characteristics? So let us do it. It's not very serious, it's just a poem, it's a fun for the children. So let's see. If you have been born on Monday, then what is your speciality? Okay, so let's start. Monday's child is fair of face. Monday's child is fair of face. Tuesday's child is full of grace. Tuesday's child is full of grace. Wednesday's child has far to go. Wednesday's child has far to go. Thursday's child is full of wow. Thursday's child is full of wow. Friday's child is loving and giving. Friday's child is loving and giving. Saturday's child work hard for its living. Saturday's child work hard for its living. But the child that is born on Sunday, which is also called holiday, is bright and bonny and good and gay. Wow! Is bright, bonny, good and grey. Okay. So many qualities on in the child who is taking birth on Sundays, right? Okay. So let's start, students. So Monday's child is fair of face. They are usually fair. Okay. Tuesday's child is full of grace. They are having lots of grace in their attitude. Wednesday's child has far to go. What do you mean by far to go? তার মানে কি হেঁটে হেঁটে অনেক দূর যাবে? No, their thinking is very high. Okay, they are very ambitious. Next, Thursday's child is full of wow. So Thursday, those who are taking birth on Thursday, they always get appreciations and compliments, okay, because of their style, because of their work. And Friday's child is loving and giving. Those who are born on Friday, they are very much loving and they always love to give. Okay, they are caring, they are always sharing, so they are very lovable. Saturday's child work hard for its living, and Saturday, those who are born on Saturday, they never give up. They always take all types of challenges. Okay, and but the child that is born on Sunday, so the child who is born on Sunday, what they do? They are bright, they are bonny, they are good and they are gay. Okay, students, so you will just go through this poem and I will be back again with a new class. Bye bye.